Africa Development Fund is one of the 8 measures of China-Africa Forum on Cooperation Beijing Summit. It is by the declaration of Chinese government to set up such a fund to support, encourage more and more Chinese companies to make direct investment to Africa. The size of the fund will graduate to $5 billion US. And our first phase, $1 billion, and the second phase, $2 billion US, was solely contributed by China Development Bank. Yes. So CAD Fund is a subsidiary of CDB Bank. And in this context, I should say that it is our unique strength as a private equity firm that we make equity investment on one hand, yes, and our mother company, CDB Bank, can provide bank loans on the other. So I always say that as long as the project per se is viable, technically and financially, you can have financial service with us one stop. That means equity plus bank loans.
One of the things that has been said a lot in the past about Africa is that there has been a sort of lack of a catalyst for many of the projects that have needed to get done, be they roads, different kinds of infrastructure like energy and such. And with a private equity, an equity fund like yours, and the ability to be able to put money in different areas, especially those which people might have considered risky before, do you think you have been able to play that catalyst role?
I think the answer is yes. First of all, in terms of the risks, yes, I think obviously business are risky. Yes. And obviously investment in Africa is risky. Mm-hmm. But as an economist said before, that if you stand off the investment in Africa, it is more risky. Because majority believes that African economy is taking off. We commenced the business in June 2007. So in the past 6 years, we have already committed investment of $2.4 billion US on 64 projects, yes, which covers more than 30 African countries. And among which $1.8 billion US already been contributed. Yeah. The sectors of this fund mainly focus on infrastructure, energy, manufacturing, agriculture, industrial parks and mining, and so on. All of them are really, really important and helpful with regard to increasing the self-development capacity of African countries.